Hello, welcome to my Tango practice channel. I'm presenting you some options of adornos that you can use during calesitas, planeos, in the form of a choreography. Of course, when dancing, you do not have to use the full sequence. You can only use bits of it. Consider this choreography a starting point for you to find your own preferred movements. I'm breaking down this choreography during my YouTube lives. In this series of live, I will detail how to do each move. I will give you some tips on how to make them look good. And even more important, I will explain the system and the logic behind it. So later on, you can apply on your own and be creative. Don't worry if you cannot join the lives. You can also follow afterwards from the recordings. The only thing for you to do is to become a member and start practicing with me. Enjoy the choreography.